Hey guys, doing another video, and today we are going to be playing Roblox Flood Survival. This is my new look for pretty much probably a month too. I'm really not done. Like I'm not the biggest fan of it, but no, I'm not dying. Go, go, go. I'm dead, guys. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh! Whew. OMG. How am I not dead? That's all because of something. I don't know why, but you know what that's because my screen turned. Like you're ugly. You're ugly. You're ugly. And then this is not even Christmas anymore, dude. Get over it. Jeez. And there's really what's this? A big block of snow? Snow's not even supposed to be blocks. Isn't the tsunami just came because there's water on the thing? Okay, I need to zoom out to do this. Oh, there we go. And by the way, I got a new phone. It's Elito. Who is using Toothless Nate? I'm gonna say nobody. That's why you just died. And that's why I just died. Oh, guys, we gotta stop dying. Like, we gotta stop dying, okay? We can't die anymore. We cannot die, no. Dying is wrong. I am not going back in that building. That noob is so noobless. I'm going on this building, which is not gonna fall. I have a big feeling this is gonna fall. Now but the tsunami's coming. We can't. If I'm over there, I was gonna die. I already know it. Yep, like I expected. Where's that noob at? Where's Mr. Noob? He died. Hey, we survived. We only got 10 points. Oh. That's toothless meat. It's toothless, not toothless. Who's using toothless meat? Oh shoot! That guy just pushed me off. Toothless meat. Yeah, that's why you're gonna die, bud. Oh, no, you're not. I'm the only one on here. I'm sad now. That's why they're gonna die, and I'm gonna survive. I'm gonna survive this. Oh God. Yep. Nope, not dying today, not dying tomorrow. See guys. I'm very close to dying though. Nah, they're not gonna die. Okay, really nobody survived. Oh, that dude died. Hey. I'm not really text that much. I love cats. Now you're just mocking Dennis. Who loves cats? Who loves dogs? Who loves dogs? I do. I love dogs. Okay, this is the jump we didn't make, but now we made it. Me too. Same. Oh, we said same at the same time, but he did the little thing. So is it go? No, mine disappeared first. So I guess he did it first, and it was just in time. Cats are the best. Haha. Oh my god, that was so funny. See, even this girl laughing. Look at her. She was mocking the Deadly Boys. Move. Who got the most? Okay, they're gonna die. Oh, what? Do you see that? What? It pushed me. No. Cheats, guys. Wow. Cheats. Cheat is cheat. Look. Cheats. I'm the devil and I'm getting angry. Even though I'm a king, I'm still a devil. Kings could be devils too. No, I'm going. This pink house is mine. Get out. I own this pink house every time. I only gone on that house twice. The rest of my plays. Okay, yeah, two that's 1, 2, 3, Nate and Thomas James. She still watched Thomas the Train Engine. Thomas James. What's his name again? Thomas James XXX. Now he's mocks it. Now he's mocking my favorite rapper. That hurt to you. I have 40 points right now. See if we can make it to 300. Oh, the ground is freaking out. Let me go savage mode. Oh God. Oh, he's dead. Bye bye. Hey, why everybody doing the twist and I can't? Yo. Hey, we're doing a twist. We're doing a twist. Hey, I came from that way. Okay, I won. I got 50 points. Okay, so I survived 5 out of 80. 5 out of 8. Not 5. I'm not that bad, guys. I'm pretty bad, but not that bad. 5 out of 80, that's the worst. Me. That's also mean you will have 800 points. You know they have. I gotta do 50 games to just I gotta do 50 rounds to just get the rocket launcher. That's a ripoff. Oh, I wanted to go in there. Hoopy 1256. I wanted to go in there. Yeah. Look, she's Hoopy. I'm a basketball. Hey, she's a hoop and I'm a basketball. I'm making every shot. I'm good. Huh. I'm not going here. Hoopy, you won't get me. Who could ever make it to the top wins? Guys! No, she won. She won, guys. She won. She won. Hoopy won. Hoopy. She won. Ew. Ew. Ew, Hoopy. Okay, I don't want to die. Ew, Hoopies, what is wrong with you? Hey, follow Hoopy. Hoopy that 1256. Hoopy 1256. Follow her. Follow her on Roblox. Yeah. And add her as a friend. Okay, Hoopy. No. How do I follow people on phone? Okay, Hoopy's leaving. Hey, I never knew this. I thought a piece broke off. No, it didn't. Follow Toothless123 Nate on Roblox. Ow, I think I died. Me and Toothless. We're about to die. I'm not dying. Me and Toothless. Really good friends. Oh my god. Oh my god. Me and Toothless 123 Nate survived. Let's get that dance in 7 seconds. I typed it wrong. No. Waste fail. No. I'm bold under this cap, so. I'm gonna go. I don't wanna go right there, but no, I can't. Make a decision. Where are you going? You're going over here. Go! Run! Yay! I made it just in time too. Just in time. Uh-oh. I'm about to die. Yeah, now I'm laughing. Okay, now I'm not about to die. I'm dead. Oh, I was about to die. Oh. Okay, I cannot see like this. Let me go savage mode and fall into the hole. I can't get out! Oh my god, that's so scary. Don't fall into the hole. Note to self, don't fall into the hole. It is super scary and you will die. So let me go first person in this mode. It is a terrible idea. Okay. Hey! I cannot move. What? They're fighting. Don't mind them. But what? Did you see that? Of course you did. Oh my, I want to do, let's do 2 more and at least let's get 5 likes, guys. 5 likes. He's gonna die, don't mind him. After this, I cannot stop making videos, so I'm just gonna make another one. Die, everybody die. Why? Just why, you stupid, get in there. That's what you deserve. You too, noob. Red Hawk Kid. You too, Red Hawk Kid. And your friend your friend Chu, weird name. Just yeah. What you get? Did she die? She died. Yeah, cause she didn't leave the game. She wasn't here. She just died. She's in heaven now. That's heaven over there. Heaven is a really boring place. Because if that's heaven, it's boring. Nobody likes it. Sorry. I'm gonna give you in the other mama. Put these over here. My phone on 58. Why it wasn't 59? Wait, my phone on 58. Why wasn't 59? I don't wanna keep it right there. I don't wanna keep it right here. I just wanna kill and punch and nudge it like it. Okay. Me singing a song. Right now. Yay! A bacon hair just survived with me. Okay, we got room in us for one more. One more than. Oh, that is creepy. No. After this, make another video. Why do people play Roblox when they don't even move? That guy's moving. Why? Thomas James XXX. Why didn't you just leave the game? Oh my god. So you keep dying, you're not gonna get nothing. I'm gonna put that in. Don't mind him. Okay. I'm gonna end my video here. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you. Where's my dance? I will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.